What's up, guys? Happy Sunday. This is Rogelio. Today we're gonna do things a little bit different. I don't think everything should be about work, so I thought I'd make a little vlog today of hanging out with my brothers. We're going to the shooting range, so I'm gonna buy some bullets, and yeah, we're gonna have some fun, man. Not everything has to be about work, you know. We gotta enjoy life every now and then. So let's get it. Let's see what we can find. All right. Try to find some bullets here at the store.
Total will be $162.10.
All right, guys, we got our bullets. Spent about 160 bucks. Basically down the trash. 6 boxes of 9mm bullets. So we'll see how it goes, but it's gonna be fun, you know. So make our way down there. All right, we got our bag all organized. Here's the bullets we're gonna be shooting. So they're just cheap bullets for the range. You can hear in the background. They're getting active already. So it's a lot. All right, guys, we're ready to go. So we're gonna make our way in, and let's get to it, man. We're gonna have fun. So let's go.
VR inside is a lot of fun to shoot. Grab it like a seat.
All right, guys, that's it, man. We have fun.